Today, we are going to talk about a few reasons why using your home address as your business address might not be the best idea. It could seem like a convenient option, especially when you're just starting out, but it comes with a fair share of disadvantages. Let's dive in. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. First off, privacy is a huge concern when using a home address for a business. When your home address is also your business address, it becomes public record. This means that customers, clients, and basically anyone can know where you live. Not ideal, right? Especially when it comes to maintaining a boundary between your professional life and personal life. Secondly, let's talk about a professional image. Having a residential address instead of a commercial one might not send the right message to your clients or partners. It could potentially make your business appear less professional or established, which could, in turn, affect your credibility in the market. Studies have shown that businesses with a commercial address tend to have a 40% higher trust rating compared to those using a home address. Next up, there's the matter of safety and security. Having a home address as your business address can potentially lead to increased security risks. For instance, dealing with unsolicited visits or mail can be a real headache. It's estimated that nearly 25% of home-based entrepreneurs have faced issues related to security and safety, which is something you might want to avoid. Furthermore, if you're thinking of expanding your business in the future, having a commercial address might facilitate that. You see, certain residential areas have zoning restrictions that can limit the type of business activities you can conduct from your home. This might restrict your growth plans and can even incur fines in some areas. Lastly, let's not forget about the little perks of having a separate business address. It can help you separate your personal and business finances and correspondence more easily, which makes things less complicated during the tax season. In the US, around 30% of home-based businesses find it difficult to manage their finances due to the intertwining of personal and business affairs. So as you can see, while using your home address as your business address might seem like the easy way out, it comes with its own set of disadvantages that can affect your business in the long run. It might be worth considering other options, like a virtual office address or renting a small commercial space, to maintain a healthy and successful business venture. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com. or contact our experts by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion? Does it make sense to you why using a home address for a business might not be a good idea? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business flourish.